Look, I have my cat, and there's another one cat there. Come on, Moses. Sit here. Come on, boy. Come here. You know what? They are like my babies. Come on. Look, look. Look, this one and the other one. I had two cats. Oh. Hello, Masi. This is Moses. And that is Lucas. What's happened? Ayan. Oh, what happened? Ah. You know, I just pressed the wrong button. Psst. No, Moses, come here. Come on, don't fight with Lucas. Come on, lie down, sweetheart. Lie down. Lie down. Oh, look at my two cats. Oh. Come on, Moses, here. Oh, look at them. Oh. My two little darlings. Eat it. So cute. Yes, thank you very much. Oh, look at them. Oh. Hello, sweet you too. They're my guardian angel. I have two bodyguards. Here they are. Oh. Hello, hello, Masi. My two guardian angels. Are they brothers and sisters? Yes, they are. Yeah. They are British long hair. This one British long hair, and this one is British short hair. Yeah, they're brothers. They're boys. I look at them. They're guarding me. Oh.